Today, we're looking at how you can use competitions to drive engagement and potentially influence footfall. This is Visit Kent, and it's a more localized tourist destination and attraction platform. Their social media platforms are absolutely bursting with beautifully professionally taken pictures, demonstrating why to visit the area, as well as photographs from amateur photographers and tourists alike. Now, what I absolutely loved was this competition here. So they did a post with a sort of like locally based competition where people could enter to win a variety of different packages to get a chance to visit lots of different attractions across Kent. Now, this shows they've got great links and relationships with the local businesses and places of interest, and they're open to collaboration, as well as making sure that they have captured a really lovely image of one of the areas as well. And they've made it really, really clear that it is a competition. And then what they've done is just click below for your chance to enter. So they're taking people offline. So they're taking people as an off social media, from here to physically enter on a separate link as well. So they're driving people from somewhere to something else, which again means that they can really 100% monitor how well the competition has gone out with just things like likes. And they've created their own hashtag as well. So hashtag Kent Autumn Comp. So if anyone's looking for it, then they can go on and find it really easily. The best thing about it as well is they've tagged in all of the businesses that they were working with as well, all the places that they're working with. So it means that they're much more likely to go in and share. So if it's at 5 shares, the likelihood is it's some of these areas that shared it. So I think all in all, it's just really, really strong because it shows you that you can collaborate with other businesses, you can collaborate within your area, and always make sure that you tag them in, and that competitions do tend to do really well when they are winnable, and this feels really winnable. So yeah, well done to these guys. Now, if I was Visit Kent, I would want to be looking at how I can engage with some of those businesses. So I would create a group on my Maybe platform. So you literally add each of them in there, so that each of those landmarks, each of those destinations in there, you create a little group. And then basically what happens is you click on the groups. It would be, say, here, and then what you would do is you would have all of their content coming up here. So that would be any of those destinations in Kent would start coming up here. You could start liking them, engaging with them. You could recreate posts and start promoting them as well. So it just shows you, that this collaboration is a two-way street, and it will drive a lot more engagement back to your feed as well. If you've got any questions at all, click on the little blue button. We'd love to help.